Hey guys, make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake is going to destroy your brakes, not just the brake calipers but the brake levers as well. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a bicycle. If you have a bicycle with hydraulic brakes, let's say a Shimano XT that we have right here, you have a problem where when you apply the brake it doesn't come back, it doesn't release. Okay, the spring and everything works perfectly fine, but it still doesn't release fast enough, it's not responsive. Stay with us, we'll explain two common things that usually causes that, guys, and how to fix it. One of them is a user mistake, user error that can actually cost you quite a bit of money. We'll talk about that, make sure you stay until the end. So before we guys start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Here in the garage we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on every single car we get here at the garage. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Now guys, we take engines apart, transmissions, we do body work, engine codes, fixing lights, all that stuff. So if you need help with anything, or if you need to buy cheap parts, tools, not just for your car but bicycle as well, check out, guys. We'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. And we have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So if the brake doesn't return, guys, okay, if it's slow, it's not responsive, okay, that's the piston inside the brake lever. Now those screws over time can expand, and that can make it to where it doesn't return. Sometimes it could be malfunctioning spring, but 9 out of 10 times is the seals right here and the piston itself. That's the aftermarket one, and I think it's from titanium. And those are the old ones. You can see how much they expanded. Also, if you use brake fluid instead of the mineral oil is more like a hydraulic fluid, not brake fluid. That's going to cause expansion of the seals, and the brake will not be responsive, it will not return as well, guys. And another thing, okay, the old piston, let me show you one old piston that we had here. It's usually a plastic one, okay, like that one here. Now you have other seals in the caliper. I'll show you in a second, we'll put a scene, but we'll have a video how to take the caliper apart. You have 4 seals, those big seals right here, because it's a 4-piston caliper. With a 2-piston caliper you have 2 big seals, and you have quite a bit of buildup around the pistons and the seals, and that can prevent it from working normally as well. So you need to take everything apart, replace the seals, put new pistons, clean everything, blow the system, install new seals in the brake lever, put it together, okay, bleed it with the correct type of oil. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. Now, never put brake fluid, guys, okay, just the correct type of mineral oil, and that will make your brake work like brand new again. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.